Pinamalayan Bahaghari Festival. The Pinamalayan Bahaghari Festival is a vibrant celebration held in Pinamalayan, Oriental Mindoro, Philippines. This annual event honors the rich cultural heritage, traditions, and natural beauty of the region while promoting unity and inclusivity among its people. The festival draws its name, Bahaghari, from the Filipino word for rainbow, symbolizing the diversity and colorful tapestry of the community. It serves as a platform to showcase the unique identity and cultural treasures of Pinamalayan. During the Bahaghari Festival, locals and visitors alike are treated to a wide array of festivities. Highlights include street dancing competitions featuring participants adorned in elaborate costumes, performing choreographed routines that reflect the town's folklore, history, and way of life. Additionally, the festival features beauty pageants, cultural shows, traditional games, and culinary showcases, all aimed at showcasing the best of Pinamalayan's culture and heritage. Visitors can also enjoy exhibitions of local crafts, agricultural products, and artworks, providing an immersive experience into the town's traditions. The Pinamalayan Bahaghari Festival serves not only as a celebration, but also as a catalyst for community cohesion and pride. It fosters a sense of belonging among residents and strengthens bonds across different barangays and sectors of society. Overall, the Bahaghari Festival in Pinamalayan is a joyful and vibrant expression of the town's spirit, diversity, and cultural richness, making it a cherished event for locals and a captivating experience for visitors. Connecting Filipinos,